Hello, this is Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this one-bedroom apartment in Avenida Aragon. So, the location of this place is very centrical. It's close to Parque Turia. It's got this amazing view. It's got this amazing, not even street view from the living room and bedroom. So it means it's very quiet in the apartment. It's located right next to the Turia River, very close to Puente Las Flores. We are on the third floor right now. Here's the entrance to the apartment. And as you can see, right from the entrance, we've got the living room here, bedroom, and the bathroom. So let's start with the bathroom. So you've got the sink with the mirror, bidet toilet, and bathtub. And now, next to the bathroom, there is a bedroom. There's only one bedroom in this apartment, but this one has got a double bed. On each side of the bed, a chest of drawer with a lamp and two drawers on each side. Built-in wardrobe with all this space here. The mirror is right there, and the air conditioner is right there. The view is the same as from the living room. So let's take a look at the living room now. And we've got a table with 4 chairs. Here we have this furniture right here with all those decorations, and the air conditioners on the other side. Got some more space here, TV in front of a couch, and another glass table. The view, as you've seen before, looking like that. Okay, so let's take a look at the kitchen. And the kitchen is pretty spacey. We've got double sink right now, right here, sorry, and here we've got the glasses and cups. Here a place to dry our dishes, the gas stove, and the oven is right here, coffee express, and the fridge with the oven, microwave and washing machine are right here, and the rest of the kitchen equipment you can find within this space right here. And here in the end of the apartment we also got a small room. It's a small kind of laundry room with water heater right there. Okay, so let's take a last look at the kitchen on the other side. And well, thank you very much. That was Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and see you next time.